go, Aiden.
I got one game ball tonight, and there's one player that went out and played 100% throughout the whole game, guys. He made some big plays on the glove and defense. He made some big plays on the offense, right? Tonight, he went and played our starting pitcher for the first time ever on the mound. Let's give it up. Good job, dude. Hey, that's what we need, right? We need that. We need everybody to stay alert, stay alive, right? We're not just going to hand game balls out to hand them out, all right? You make big plays, you do well out there, you're doing what you're supposed to, coaches notice, okay? Okay, so Ashton, tonight, game ball winner, what are we calling? Your choice. Teamwork, bring it in. Everybody stand up, bring the hands in. Let's get the hands in. Ashton gets the 3. We're saying teamwork as loud as we can. Loud.
Teamwork on 3. 1, 2, 3.